Again, NTA, NMC, other YouTube channels from North are confusing Neet aspirants. Wish you happy Republic Day. Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is your Sandeep Kunidala. Your career is our responsibility. Perhaps you might watch our thumbnail. Neet examination question paper changed. Yes, Neet examination paper not changed, but the thing it is, Neet examination question paper pattern is changed. Dear students and parents, be aware of many YouTube channels, that too from Hindi, and many big institutions, that too education institutions, are confusing the students. There is no change in the Neet examination pattern. There is change in the Neet examination question paper pattern. Already before a week back, NTA and MNC was clearly given a public notice saying that there is no change in examination 2000. There is no change in Neet 2025 examination pattern. Many parents and questions asking, sir, many of them are doing videos that examination pattern is changed since 16 hours. I was gone through many YouTube channels, many press notes, and also I gone through MMC website and NTA website. The thing it is, instead of saying that Neet 2025 question paper pattern changed, they are announcing that examination pattern is changed. No, examination pattern is not at all changed. Neet examination question paper pattern is changed. I am going to explain. Let us go into the video without doing any delay. 25th of January 2025, NTA was released a public notice saying that they are going to change Neet 2025 question paper pattern and the duration in examination hours. They are going to display public notice decide. Watch once again, and also I am going to read the public notice for you. Public notice 2025 January 2025. Subject: clarification question paper pattern examination duration for Neet 2025, Neet UG 2025. This is subject. The National Testing Agency has been conducting Neet UG since 2019 on behalf of National Medical Commission, NMC. All the Neet UG 2025 aspirants are hereby informed that the question paper pattern and the examination duration will revert to the pre-COVID format, where there will not be any section B anymore. Hence, there will be 180 compulsory questions, 45 questions from chemistry, 45 questions from physics, 90 questions from biology. The total compulsory questions are 180. Total number of questions is 80, and the examination minutes is 180 minutes. There will be removing any optional questions, extra time introduction due to the question paper will be consist of 180 compulsory questions. The provisional for optional questions introduced temporarily during the COVID-19 pandemic will be no longer been available. Examination duration, the total duration of the examination will be 180 minutes at mean 3 hours. Candidates are advised to prepare accordingly and regular check of the official website like NTA, NMC, the UG 2025. For the further clarification, Neet 2025 UG. This is the public notice. This is the public notice was published in NTA website. But some of the YouTube channels, unworthy consultancies, are telling that there is change in examination pattern. No, this question paper pattern was being again re-implemented pre-COVID. 2018-19, the same kind of pattern was being designed by the NTA, NMC and MBBS. The same pattern was designed. So they are re-implementing the same pattern, as that in the public notice they were told very clearly, up to now from 2020 what we are conducting is a temporarily based COVID-19 examination pattern. Now we are came to the regular pattern. The regular pattern is 180 questions, as that I told you previously, 45 from physics, 45 from chemistry, 90 from biology. So totally 180 questions, 180 minutes. Total examination duration is 3 hours. Each question carries 1 minute. Dear students and parents, be conscious. There is no provision for any extra questions or optional questions limit in 2025 NEET examination, and prepare well for your examination. All the best for the NEET aspirants 2025 who they are going to attend the NEET examination. Because of this question paper pattern changes, your NEET cutoff might be affected. Yes. This year NEET cutoff we are expecting is in between 6.10 to 635. In between 6.10 to 635 NEET cutoff mark we are expecting. And moreover, as of our research, this year nearly 30 lakh students are going to enroll in the NEET examination. 30 lakh students are going to enroll for the NEET examination. Consider this. This year NEET exam is not going to be easy as previously. And there is a big announcement. Regularly from next week we are going to do live on the frequently asked questions from the students and parents. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Nearly 3 to 4 days we are going to live sections. Nearly we are going to 4 to 5 days live sessions for clarifying all the doubts of students and parents. Be in touch with us. And also, as that we told in the previous videos, we are also going to process the bank loan for the students who they are requiring the bank loan to pursue their MBBS education in abroad. Once again, we are requesting, like all the videos, please do subscribe, do comment, share our videos. This will motivate us to do more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Tata.